Hey everyone! If you need to access your home or office computer while you're on the go, Rustdesk is one of the best free open source tools to do it right from your iPhone. Today, I'll show you how to set it up for seamless remote control. Let's jump in. Step 1. Install and prep your PC. Before we touch the iPhone, we need to set up the host computer. First, download Rustdesk on your Windows or Mac from the official site. Once open, you'll see your ID and a temporary password. For a more reliable connection, go to Settings, Security, and set Permanent Password. This ensures you don't have to check your PC for a new code every time you want to connect. Step 2. Get the app on iPhone. Now, grab your iPhone. Head to the App Store and search for Rustdesk Remote Desktop. It's a lightweight app. Just download and open it. On iOS, Rustdesk works as a controller only. You can see and move your PC's mouse, but you cannot share your iPhone screen to your PC. Step 3. Establishing the connection. First, on the iPhone app home screen, enter the 9-digit ID from your host computer into the remote ID box, and then tap the connect icon. After that, enter the permanent password you created earlier. You can check remember password so you never have to type it again. Step 4. Mastering mobile controls. Once connected, you'll see your desktop on your phone. Use one finger to move the cursor and tap to click. Use 2 fingers to scroll down or right-click. If you need to type, tap the keyboard icon in the floating menu. Lastly, if the screen looks too small, use the settings icon in the corner to change the display mode to scale or original to fit your iPhone screen perfectly. Now you've got your entire PC in your pocket. I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.